of mufflers on that one coming right outside where the lights go. It's one of them Kohler Command Twins horizontals. I've got a Kohler Command vertical at home, the one that got burned. I just got to finish putting it together. On these Cubs with the quiet line with the side covers, it says in the manual they're supposed to have these on there for proper cooling. A guy that I just talked to who knows them well even said that it's right. If it came with it, they're supposed to have it. Because when I got the machine, they were missing, and then I called the guy, because I found out after they were missing. I called the guy, I said, hey, do you happen to have some side covers? And he said, as a matter of fact, I do. And they were in a barn next door on a property they sold 10 years ago. Yeah, that engine working. That's like the one I sold her, the front end of it. Man, they're working, them engines. The size of the tires on that one. This one is using international parts after MTD bought them up. Cadet Corporation. CCC. The old C symbol when they first bought them up. Right? That brochure I have shows that. Looks like he's got LEDs. LEDs! See him, LEDs? Yeah. LEDs. What kind of snacks they selling there? Boy, only
Yeah. After this,
yeah.
mine.
This boy looks good here. Eric Clapton here.
Fucking food is fast.
What's that? Is this a sticker?
I don't know. I was there already.
Yeah, that's weird.
Hey, it's a sticker.
Is it?
Oh, look.
I think you're right. Helps have a nail like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna see it.
Right.
I think this thing's a detail.
Yeah, you
Where's
got,
your vehicle? I'm
you
gonna
got
put it
something
on your
there.
vehicle.
No, I'm good.
Nah, you're good. Whatever, your vehicle. That looks nice.
Yeah,
That's fine.
yes. Yeah, it's fine.
Come on.
Try one of them. Try picking it with that. The edge of this.
I think it's a vinyl thing, isn't it? I can put this on your fucking. You put this on your back here.
Those engines sound good though with them pipe mufflers.
Yeah, they do.
Because I didn't even think at first that they were stock engines. I thought they were like them like Predators overbuilt, but they were. There was a Kohler on there.
Yeah.
That's I think probably original engine on there that probably either an Onan or a Briggs twin horizontal.
Yeah.
Now it's starting to sound good. Yeah, he's got LEDs on it. One's brighter than the other one now.
Yeah.
What are they? They're the followers? Is that what that is?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why the green one's there. This guy cleans up the.
Okay. Yeah. Maybe if when he's got the bucket to come back. Maybe, right?
Oh yeah, he's got to pull it back, I guess.
Gas mine.
Shit.
They're still selling snacks. You want to go see if they got something?
Oh, we're in it.
Yeah. That one right there, that's got my front end. That one's one of those Cub Cadet